Hi, I'm Beth Pantazzi. I am an occupational therapist and an assistive technology enthusiast. I started getting excited about assistive technology a few years ago when I had some students that required assistive technology for diagnoses such as dysgraphia and dyslexia, as well as executive functioning difficulties and difficulties with fine motor control and endurance. I am a school-based OT and I work in a K-12 school. And I have students on my caseload in grades 6 through 12 and some post-secondary students as well. I got so excited about assistive technology that I took a colleague's suggestion to work on my master's in special education with a focus in assistive technology. And I am happy to report that I graduate on Saturday with that degree. I am excited to go on this journey with you all. I'm hoping to show a variety of different extensions and tools and tricks that I have found to be helpful for my students. The first one that I'm going to show you today is one that I've gotten really excited about because it's helped a couple of my students in the past couple of months really be more proficient in typing. It's called Oribi Speak, and you can see I have it up here on my screen. So if you click on the Oribi Speak, this is what it is. The icon is a little green circle here. Mine says remove from Chrome, but if you do not have it installed in your machine, it would say add to Chrome. So you would just click there. I am going to go ahead and show you how it is. So if I click on the icon, and you can just pin it to your taskbar. If I click on the icon, I'm going to turn on the speech. And so I'm going to show you.
I. A. M. G. O. I. N. G.
Going.
I am going. I. T. H. E. G. A. M. E.
Game.
I will play the game.
So as you can see, it gives you letter by letter dictation as well as word by word and then sentence by sentence. The other really cool feature of Oribi Speak is that it also has a text prediction, and you can use them both together, but I am just going to show that now you can see here that the Google Docs is predicting, but it's not always. So you just have to click on the
With.
and you can have it say what it is so the student can listen to see if that's what they meant. And then you can just close it out. So that is my quick demonstration of Oribi Speak that I have just found to be a super helpful tool for my students. You can find me on Instagram at the Assistive Tech OT, or if you would like to email, you can reach me at theassistivetechot@gmail.com. I would love to hear if you enjoyed this application, if you felt like it was something that helped your students or yourself. And if there's a certain challenge or app that you'd like me to take a look at and demonstrate, shoot me an email or a message on Instagram or leave a comment below. If you could subscribe, that would be great. And I would love to hear how I can help you. Thanks so much.